Hey guys, welcome to our channel tutarena. Here I am with another new video. If you are new to our channel, then please consider subscribing. Now let's start. So today I am going to show you how to create an Instagram account. At first you have to open the Instagram app. Right there you can continue with your Facebook account, or you can continue with your email address or phone number. If you have already an account, then you can also log into your previous account. Now I'll show you how to create an account by phone number. Just here. Now you have to put your phone number here. Now tap next. Now tap next. And it will ask you to give your account a name and also a password. You have to put your name here like this. Now it's time to give a password. You have to put a +6 character as your password. Now tap continue and sync contact. Now it will ask you to add your birthday date. You can choose your birthday date like this. Now tap next, and it will ask you to give a username. It will suggest you some username. You can choose from here, or you can type your username as you want. Now tap next. Now you can find friends by tapping here. It will give you some privacy policy. Now tap yes and finish setup. If you want to add your Facebook profile info to your Instagram account, you can tap here, but if you don't want it, then tap not now. Now it will ask you to add a profile photo. You can add a photo like this. You can import photos from Facebook, or you can take photo right now, or you can choose from library. Now tap here. Now let's choose a photo from library. You can also zoom in the photo like this. Now tap on the arrow sign. If you want to share this photo as a post, you can turn on the button right here, but if you don't want it, then you can turn off it. Now let's tap on next. And here you can follow the people like this. Now tap on the arrow sign. And this is my new account that I have created right now. And this is the home page. If you want to see your own account, you can tap here. And this is my new Instagram account. See how easy it is. Thanks for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you with another video. Till then, bye bye.